List of land survey companies in Hyderabad. Best land survey companies in Hyderabad. Land surveyor jobs in Hyderabad. List of land survey companies in Hyderabad. Hyderabad's real estate market is increasing. Infrastructure and building initiatives have raised land surveyor demand. Hyderabad-based Scon Design offers land surveying. Advanced technologies and equipment assure precise and rapid results. Scon Design is a top Hyderabad land surveyor. Topographical, border, construction staking, and more are their specialties. Their cutting-edge technology and software enable precise measurements and data processing. Hyderabad has various land survey businesses besides Scon Design. Among the greatest are Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design provides land surveying, mapping, and geospatial analysis. Their skilled professionals employ the newest methods and technology to get precise findings. They built roadways, bridges, and real estate in Hyderabad. Another notable Hyderabad land survey business, Scon Design Surveyors, offers land surveying, mapping, and 3D scanning. Drones and laser scanners ensure accuracy. Scon Design India Private Limited, a major Hyderabad land survey business, provides boundary surveys, topographical surveys, and construction staking. Their expert personnel employ cutting-edge equipment to measure accurately. They developed commercial and residential properties in Hyderabad. In conclusion, various Hyderabad land survey companies offer a variety of services to meet demand. Due to their knowledge and cutting-edge technology, Scon Design is a top company. Best land survey companies in Hyderabad. Area surveying is crucial for any building project to precisely map and measure the area. Due to its building and development, Hyderabad has many land survey businesses. Scon Design is one of the leading land survey companies in Hyderabad, offering top-notch services. Scon Design has been providing land surveying services in Hyderabad for over a decade and has earned a reputation for reliability. The company's land surveyors use cutting-edge equipment and technology to deliver accurate results. They're one of Hyderabad's top land survey firms due to their quality and precision. Scon Design's dedication to customer satisfaction distinguishes them from other Hyderabad land survey businesses. They get to know their clients' demands and personalize their services accordingly. The organization keeps clients updated with regular updates and progress reports during the surveying procedure. Scon Design's services go beyond land surveying. They also provide topographic surveying, boundary surveying, construction staking, and more. They provide land surveying services in Hyderabad. In conclusion, Hyderabad's top land survey company is Scon Design. Their quality, attention to detail, and client satisfaction make them a top choice for commercial and residential projects. Scon Design offers dependable and accurate land surveying services in Hyderabad. Land surveyor jobs in Hyderabad. Any building or real estate endeavor requires land surveying. It involves measuring and charting a land's heights, contours, and boundaries. Land surveyors in Hyderabad are in high demand. Thus, this industry has several job openings for eager professionals. Scon Design is a great place for Hyderabad land surveyors to work. Scon Design is a top engineering and design firm that surveys land. They work on projects in Hyderabad with a team of trained and experienced specialists. The organization offers competitive compensation, a great work atmosphere, and growth prospects. As a land surveyor at Scon Design, you will conduct surveys, prepare detailed reports, and provide technical support to clients. Land surveyors in Hyderabad must have a civil engineering degree. You must also be familiar with modern surveying equipment and software. You should also be a team player and have great communication abilities. Scon Design offers continual training and development to help its staff keep up with industry trends. As a land surveyor in Hyderabad, you can work on commercial and residential building, infrastructure development, and land development. You must ensure that all measurements are precise and that the project meets legal and regulatory criteria. To finish the project on time and on budget, you'll need to collaborate with architects, engineers, and contractors. In conclusion, Scon Design is one of the leading businesses for Hyderabad land surveyor employment. The organization provides a great work environment and growth chances for its workers by focusing on quality and innovation. A career as a land surveyor with Scon design can be lucrative and exciting, whether you're just starting out or looking to advance. Thanks for watching.